Hello friends, hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. So I want to review or actually do a first impression on a few items that I've gotten or that I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of December. This is actually the bag that we got. It's a drawstring bag. It's very cozy. It's got like this cozy feel to it, probably because December is just a cozy month. It's a winter month, obviously. So yeah, so here's the bag, and I got a total of 5 items, and I've shared this with you guys before. I pay 25 bucks a month and I get 5 full-size products, 3 of which I actually pick, and I picked it early December, the first week of December. Actually, it's December 2nd. I got an email and I was able to pick 2 they choose for me, 3 I choose. Okay, so let me start off with an item that I will not be trying on. I've gotten this item before and it really didn't do much for me. So what I'm probably gonna do is either re-gift it or sell it on Poshmark or in the Ipsy, one of the Ipsy Facebook pages that I am a part of. Things that you really don't like or that you're not going to use, you can repost them there, you can share them, and you can sell them. So this is the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion Exfoliator. Like I said, it really didn't do much for me last time I got it a few years ago. So I'm gonna go ahead and be selling that. And the other item that I don't think I'm even gonna swatch, I'm gonna show you, but I'm not gonna swatch because I think I'm probably gonna re-gift it. This is the thing about these items. If you don't like them, you can sell them or you can re-gift them, which is what I do a lot of times. I do have a lot of eyeshadow palettes and they keep sending a lot my way. And some that I really like, I do try to use them and add them to my collection. But this one, I thought it was all right. It is by Ibby Beauty, and it is the Fireside Eyeshadow Palette, and it is exclusive to Ipsy. So let me go ahead and open it up. So this is what it looks like. It has a little protective film, which just fell. It has a mirror, which you guys can see my camera. And these are the eyeshadow colors. They're really, really pretty, but honestly, I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes and none of these colors pop out at me, so re-gift. Now, the following 3 items I will be testing and showing you guys. And let's start off actually with the highlighter. So I got a highlighter and it is by Dominique Cosmetics. It is the Skin Gloss. And it says an all-over skin enhancer. So I guess you can use it not just for your face, but also for your whole body. And the color is Golden Dew. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I will put below the retail price for these items. So I kind of cheated a little bit because I went ahead and swatched it yesterday, but I'm gonna try it on my face today. I didn't try it on my face yesterday. So this is what it looks like. And this is the product. You see the swatches that I did yesterday. It does have a mirror, all right? And I'm gonna swatch it on my hand, and then now I'm gonna try it on my skin. So it's like a golden, pearly gold color. It's not really swatching that well today. Here we go. And that is what that looks like. It is very creamy, which means you could probably not just use it on your cheek, but also as an eyeshadow. I've done that before, and cream products tend to last longer on the skin. So let's go ahead and try it. I'm gonna get a wet beauty blender. I did use this to apply my foundation today, and I feel like with cream products, they blend better when you use a damp sponge, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and dip it in here. And apply it to my cheeks. You can already see the light reflecting on there. Oh, this is pretty. Maybe I should zoom in. So you can see how it catches the eye, the light. I don't want to put too much. I don't want to be glowing. So you see the difference, like there, obviously I have no highlighter, and there I do. So it looks natural. And I like how this applies with the sponge. Just be sure not to go in your under eye, which I just did. And again, because it is cream, it should last the entire day. I usually put highlighter on my nose. And then right here. What is that called? The cubic bow? Right there. I also put some here on the side of my forehead. Whoop, you can't see. And here. So far so good. It's not like beaming in your face, but it does give a little bit of a touch on the skin. A little glowing. Am I glowing? All right, I don't want to put too much. Yeah, I like it. Hopefully it lasts all day. Okay, so that was the highlighter. It's okay, it's good. Okay, let's go to our next product. I'm a little iffy about this product, but I'm willing to try it here on camera with you guys. So this is the Complex Culture Full Out Brow Gel. I have gotten quite a few face brushes and eyeshadow brushes from this company, and the brushes are legit. They are so good, good quality, good bristles, nice and soft. The handles are really good, pretty luxurious. So I'm excited for this. I have never used a brow, I've used a brow gel, but not that one that's tinted to give me color and for that to be the only thing that I use on my brows. I usually do either like a shadow pot or something with like a powdered formula to fill in my brows, or I'll do a pencil. So I've never done this, you know, never done like a brow gel to tint my brows. So this is what it looks like. Again, I will put the price below so you guys can see it. All right, it's really pretty. It's got like a gold tip or gold handle, and the rest is like a grayish brown taupe color. All right, here we go. I need a brush, and let me zoom in. I really do not have a lot of eyebrows, as you guys can see. That's why I fill them in. Let me use this highlighter, the mirror on here, to be able to apply this guy. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and I'm supposed to just brush my brows with it and see how it looks. Oh my gosh. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys the color. I have to see the color. Oh my gosh. Hold on. I think I wasn't supposed to. Oh snap, that does not look pretty. Oh no. What am I doing? Okay. So right off the bat, it's a little too thick here. I think I just used the tip of it to kind of draw the end, and it's just way too dark. I don't hate the way the front looks, just the back, it's just not working for me. I don't even know how to get rid of this. Maybe just tap it. Let's try the other brow just in case, just to see. Okay, I'm not gonna use the tip, I'm just gonna use the bristles to dry it out. I mean, it does make it, you know, it does look natural as long as I'm not using the tip, because you look how much product is on the tip. So if you use the tip, you see how much product is on the tip? If you use the tip, you will definitely get a line like that. Maybe this is just something that I can use very lightly for those days where I don't want like a full brow. Oh my gosh, what happened here? Look at what happened right there. Yeah, just for those days where maybe I'm staying home and I just want to fill my brows a bit like that, but that looks bad. Okay, all right. I don't feel like I have even though it's a small bristle, I don't think I have full control to be able to do each hair. I would appreciate to be smaller. Oh my gosh, I just totally messed it up. What happened there? Look at this, guys. I gotta fix it. I can't stay like this. Okay, so I don't love it. I think I applied too much product. I think that I really wanted to get full brows. That's why I applied as much product as I did. But now thinking about it, this should just be something that I put 1 to 2 coats max in case, you know, I'm in my house, don't wanna go outside and just wanna film it a little bit. I don't like it. All right, let me go fix it. I will be right back. All right, I am back. I wiped down my brows with a wipe and filled in a few of the foundation that I took off with the wipe with my beauty blender. I still had some product here in the tip. And I filled it in with this Billion Dollar Brows powder in taupe. Okay, I just get a little angle brush and just fill them in. That's usually how I've been doing it. I love it because it looks natural, unlike this guy. So I think maybe at this point, I can probably do just one coat. Not for color, but maybe just to help set it. So let me get my mirror again. And just do maybe the corners. I didn't really mind how they looked. Just a little bit. Like that. Not bad, right? All right, moving on. All right, and the very last product that I want to try, it is a cream eyeshadow. It is the Lustre Cream Eyeshadow by CIATE. I'm really bad at reading. Y'all should know this by now. And it is in the color, oh my gosh, I didn't tell you the color of the brow. The brow color, the product, the brow gel, is Deep Brunette. I guess I'm a deep brunette. So anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this cream eyeshadow, and the color of this cream eyeshadow is, if I can find it, Eclectic, okay? And it's supposed to be lightweight and fallout free. So this is what it looks like. This is what the product looked like. And I did cheat again. I tried to swatch it on my hand yesterday because I just could not resist, but I'll swatch it again and I'll put it on my eyes. So here is the applicator. I'll put it on the back of my hands and that looks really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. And that is what that looks like. How pretty. That's really pretty. It looks very metallic, but it also has some glitter in it, some glitter specks. All right, so I'm gonna put it on my eyes, but first I'm gonna get a brush so I can blend it out properly. All right, okay, here we go. Oh, which one should I get? Let me try this guy. So I'm gonna try this guy right here. So let's go ahead and apply it. So let me zoom in. There we go. And I'm gonna put some on the lid. A nice amount. And then we're going to tap it. Usually these products you don't blend out too much because then they like disappear. So we're gonna tap it and then work our way up. Just like that. You can also feel a lot of these products on the lid, like they're kind of heavy, but I mean, I don't really mind. You just get used to it. And if you blend out too much, you'll lose the sparkles. They'll like fall out, but they're supposed to be fallout free. So that is what that looks like. I think I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out on top a little more. Or how about we just apply up here. Oh my gosh, hopefully it's not too much. Just blend it out. The good thing is that if you do apply too much, blend it out where you think you applied too much and it'll thin it out. Hopefully. Let me get another clean brush to blend out the top so there's no harsh lines. Another thing about these products, if this is a good product, it will not crease. It should dry fast, settle, and not crease. That's one thing that I really hate about cream eyeshadows, that you put it on, they look really pretty, and then throughout the day, they like start separating and they crease on your crease. So that is what that looks like. It looks like I put too much. Maybe if I put my finger. I love it, even if you have like a hooded eyelid, because every time that you blink, you still see the sparkles and the metallic. All right, let me do the other side. All right, guys, so that is what it looks like. Let me see if I can zoom in a little more for you guys. Now you can go ahead and set this with an eyeshadow that's very similar to it on top. So put that eyeshadow on top to kind of set it, because right now it's still wet and I'm like wanting it to dry so it can settle and not crease. But hopefully it lasts the whole day. So let me go add some finishing touches to this look and I will be right back. All right guys, so I am back. What did I do? I added some blush. I like adding my blush right after my highlighter, because that way it makes it a little more natural. I put in some eyeliner and I kind of spread it out a little bit. I put some lipstick on and, oh, and mascara. Can't forget about mascara. And lastly, what I want to do, I'm going to do it here on camera, because I do tend to do this when I have highlighters that are very light or lighter than my skin tone, is that I'm going to use this highlighter to actually highlight the inner corners of my eyes. So let me zoom in a little bit. And I'm going to get a little bit of this highlighter. Oh wow, this is a lot. I just grabbed a lot. Whoop, and I'm going to just apply it. Oh, I think I put too much. Why is it getting dark? Okay, let me spread it out, because I think I put a little too much. I dipped into that a little too deep, and just spread it out like that. And it'll give you a nice inner corner highlight, and it'll go with the look that you have. Alrighty, look at that. And that's it. And that's it. This is the final look, guys. All right, so that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you guys got these items in your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, or you guys have tried them. And these techniques you can use with products are very similar to these. They don't have to be these exactly, because these might be a little pricey. All right, that's about it, guys. Don't forget, our hope in life and death is in Christ Jesus. Stay tuned for a few messages from myself, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye. Hey friends, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. It really does mean the world to me that you take time out of your busy schedule to check me out. So thank you so much. I have a few messages to share with you guys. They won't take long at all, I promise. So number one, I accept prayer requests. There's a list that we have here at my house that me and my family pray for every single day. So if you have a prayer request and you want us to add you to the list, just go ahead and contact me. You can leave a comment below, or you can email me or contact me through any of my social media platforms, and we will go ahead and add you to that list. Number two, if you are on Instagram or Facebook, you should totally be following me. Why? Because I post a lot more content there than I do here. I share with you guys just my everyday life, pictures of my kids, recipes, what I do on the Insta stories, and all that good stuff. So if you are there, go ahead and follow me. And number three, if you are not already part of this family, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you get notified. We have so much fun here. I post videos on my life, I do vlogs, I do makeup reviews, I do recipes, and also I do Bible studies. So if you're interested, go ahead and join our family. We would love to have you. Alright guys, so that's about it. That was nice, short, and sweet for you guys. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget, our hope in life and death is in Christ Jesus. Love you all, and I will see you on my next video, Lord willing. Bye!